Okay, are you struggling with a gift to buy for your teen daughter, tween daughter, almost about to be teen daughter who is obsessed with Bluey? This is the one you're going to want to get because this was sent to me by the company and my daughter saw it as I was opening it and she immediately tried to grab it and I'm like, no. You need to wait until Christmas. So I did. You can open it on the back. So I did go ahead and open it for myself just to peek. But it is a 12 days of jewelry set. So each day has a little punch out that your child can punch out and receive a new piece. But I'm going to open it up and show you everything that's inside. So let me get that twisted around. What you'll get in here is you're going to get your bracelet chain, a necklace chain, and then all sorts of different charms to decorate that. How cute is this for all our little Bluey lovers out there? I don't know about you, but my daughter is 12 and she is still obsessed with Bluey. You think it's a children's show, but it has some good stuff in it. So if you're looking for that little last minute gift or just something small to kind of give out as an Advent gift, highly recommend this one.